Hi there, and welcome back. Camille here, your local condo and townhome specialist in Union County. I've got another fantastic property to walk you through, so let's get right into it. Just before we start the tour, if you've been dreaming of your first condo or townhome but feel like everything is moving too fast or priced too high, you're not alone. I help first-time buyers who feel frustrated by the competition and rising prices, but there are options. My off-market property program helps buyers like you find homes with less competition and more opportunity. Let's have a private conversation about your goals. Just text me at 973-544-8655 or use the links below to connect. Welcome to today's tour. A stylish one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo in the Theresa, located right in the heart of Linden, New Jersey. This condo layout is ideal for buyers seeking both space and simplicity. Curious about another layout in the Theresa development? I toured another one before. Watch the video linked above. As always, head to condosofunioncounty.com, reach out to me directly, or schedule an appointment with the link below if you're ready to start your home search. I'm excited to show you around, so let's get started.